Good evening, friends. Today we are going to be familiar with Dominoes game. So there are multiple websites for playing this game, Dominoes game. Now, but where we have landed on cooldominoes.com. Yes. So this is a game where uh, we have to play this game. Let's be with classic mode. You can choose the other mode also. I think here you can choose multiple opponents. So this means Robert, and this means maybe that must be human, and level also normal or hard. You have to play. You have to send the process. So there was I played a game, though I do not want to save that previous game. So resume that game. No, let's play with new one. This is Robert. We're playing computer, and this is myself. This is me myself. So here the game starts now. So when this type of pattern is here, there are five dots here. So in which we have five dots. Here are two, here is five. So one side there is five, so we must click. It is also recommended you can put this side or this side. Just showing some places something like this. So we're putting no issues, no problems. You to put any of that, but that should be that should match. I mean, suppose there is four here, four dots, there is two dots. So we have to place the with four dots or two dots. Two dots. Let's we have here four dots here in this. Yes, so it will be like this. So next to it we have to match the dots. Here is five, here is two. So any two or five, here is two. Even if there is blank, it will be here is two in one side, it will be matched here with this way. So again, if there is no option, then it will allow us to choose one more that kind of dots box there. So here you can add this. There will be hover. If it is blank, it is but those with white one colors are here. Yes, let's okay with five or five. Here is also five. So here we can see, and just place it here. And similarly, suppose there is five and here is one, so we have one here or here also. You can choose any one. So this should be done very quick, as fast as you can, but just for our learnings only, we have keep this. Here's blank, so play it yourself. How do you experience or feel? uh, so we have four dots and here is blank. Okay, here is blank, so you can keep it here. Four dots means okay, four dots and three dots, so three dots is here. Here similarly we're blocked. Okay, for six dots, no, we have three dots, four dots. Okay, four dots is here, so you can place it here. Similarly, it has split two, so we have two here. Yes, so three, so here is three, and so one we have yes, one we have. So this is just, we are now learning how to play this game. Four dots here, so we have four here. Yes, blocked, and similarly there is one space here. Yes, 19 points you have got. So it will ask you to play next round. So this way we can play